Today we're making extra sticky Chinese 5-spice chicken rice bowls. These are great for lunch or dinner meal prep and pack a punch of flavor. The best part is, these bowls are super easy to make and low cost, which is perfect for when you're too busy and want a quick and easy meal. The sauce is sticky and has a blend of sweet soy flavors, so if you're looking for a chicken rice bowl, this one's for you. Let's get cooking. For the marinade, mix 1.5 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of honey, 3 teaspoons of 5-spice, 3 crushed garlic cloves, and mix. Add 4 bone-in skin-on chicken thighs and fully coat each thigh. Let marinate for at least 1 hour or overnight for best results. On a baking rack or pan, add our chicken thighs. For the coating sauce, mix 1 tablespoon of honey with 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Put our chicken into an oven set to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 minutes before removing and coating the top with some of our sticky sauce. Then bake in the oven again for another 5 to 10 minutes or until the chicken reaches a safe temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. The air fryer can also be used instead of the oven. We can then take out our chicken. And boom, we have an extra sticky Chinese 5-spice chicken. The honey and 5-spice together are just such a fantastic combo of sweet and salty. We can then enjoy the chicken with some broccoli and rice and meal prep this into 4 servings. I highly recommend overnight marinating as it allows all the flavors to really get into our chicken and levels up this dish. If this simple but delicious chicken bowl looks good, then be sure to like and subscribe for more. Be sure to also let me know down in the comments what your favorite chicken rice bowl is, and we'll see you next time.